God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us.
Hello, guys. Welcome again to our channel. Welcome to OD7. Hey, guys, we didn't miss you, and here we are. Welcome again. Here we are going to do food challenge, but we will do it as like a game. So, welcome again. We didn't miss you, and don't forget to subscribe. Do subscribe if you have not done it. So do subscribe, like, and comment.
Let's go.
We really need your support, and your support is enough to us, and we really appreciate it.
Okay.
So welcome again. Let's go.
Let's go.
I didn't miss this time. I have. Very delicious. No, you can't eat this one. No man eats eggs. Eggs for women, okay? Bring this one.
Where's that man?
Bring it. Eat this one. Even if it's delicious, can't be like eggs. Yeah, I like eggs, okay? Okay, enjoy your food, enjoy your meal. Welcome. No, don't touch it. That's yours. It's her ugali. Wow. Why are you looking at me? It's okay.
Dissolve! Mercy upon us.
Are you enjoying it? No. This is so good. Are you enjoying it? Don't try it. No, the eggs is not for men, okay?
Why?
For women.
Dissolve! Dissolve. God have mercy upon us.
No.
Okay, Nachia.
Where?
Where are you?
I'm finishing it.
God
This
have
is my
mercy
eggs.
upon us.
No man eating the eggs. It's not delicious for you.
What the fuck, man?
No. You want to steal mine? Well, mine
Have
can't
mercy
be
upon us.
steal.
Mm.
Aren't you eating your food?
Mm.
Jesus! Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
Mm. 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 Ah. Mm.
No, I want that.
Mm.
No.
Mm.
I'm looking at you. Don't try.
You're a good friend for me.
Don't try to
You're a good
follow
friend
me.
for me.
I'm not trying to follow me.
In a small table.
Mm.
God
Not trying
have
to
mercy
follow me.
upon us.
I'm not for. I'm looking at you.
Mm. Mm.
I'm kidding. I'm
God
really.
have mercy
Mm.
upon us.
Bring it. Bring it. Bring it.
Mm. Mm.
Eat your food. Why are you looking? You looking at my plate?
Mm. Ah. Mm. 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 Like good friend, man. What?
No, we are not friends.
Mm. Mm. Can you finish the eggs?
I'm going to finish it, or
And this is the fufu of the can.
not. That makes me not
The ugali.
not a fool. Is it good? So are you doing?
Mm. 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 You're good friend for me. Good friend for me.
Don't try. Bring it.
God have mercy upon us. Jesus! Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
It's a good.
Ah.
Sit proper.
Jesus! Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
Ah. Mm. Mm.
I bring your mouth here.
Yeah.
Jesus! Sauce. Eat.
Jesus, really good.
God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us. Eat. Eat. God have mercy upon us. Eat.
Take your food. Take your food. Take your food. Oh, Jesus. Okay, can you go? Me, I'm going to take it from me. I'm going. Take it from me.
Why you quiet?
I'm going. You are no more good. Take it from me. Fuck
I'm
you.
good.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Go.
Hello? You do know.
I'll finish
You are
it.
fake man.
I'll finish
You
it
are fake
all.
man. You are not serious. You are not serious. Fuck you.
Mm-hmm.
So can you finish your food here? Huh? You do not give